Hey, what's up, Robin? How you doing? Yeah, it's been a while since I streamed. Lots of stuff going on. Just a very casual Saturday night in, so figured as I might as well hit that stream button, see what happens. What's up, Sadie? Hey man, what's up, Phosphor Visual? Yeah, it's gonna be super crazy. I'm basically just tidying up a max patch for now, and then just gonna be working on this drone liquefier, doing super nerdy stuff. No production tonight, so if you're into the nerdy shit, stick about. What's up, Ruby? The reason I'm running Live 10 is all the devices that I'm currently making. So this drone liquefier plugin, which I've been working on for quite a long time now, which is nearly ready. I just want to make sure that everything is Live 10 compatible. So all my content for the next few months is still going to be Live 10 compatible. I'm not just going to restrict it to everybody who's updated, because I know not everybody is updated. Hey Martin, good morning. So yeah, just again kicking the stream off, doing some housework on a max patch. Not the most riveting content, but it's got to be done sometimes. Carlo, what's up? Yeah, I thought about. I mean, this patch that I'm building will work in Ableton Live 11, of course, but I might as well build it in Live 10 just to be sure that I know it works. Okay. Michael, how we doing? What I'm going to be doing after this little tidy up is working on a new dial. So I've got these dials here, which are currently a bit broken, which are their own little patches, and want them to be controllable via one input, and we can modulate. So this is for when we want an LFO to modulate them. Hey, thanks for all the likes on the stream. What do I think of Incati's refractalizer. I have no idea what that is, man. That sounds pretty cool. Hey, what's up, Eyes Room Empties? How you doing? Talking, how you doing? What's up, everyone? Welcome along. I could have done all this stuff before the stream, all this tidying up, but yeah, it's kind of interesting, right? Watching someone patch cables. Do I hit Techno when I try to go to sleep? Quite often. Yeah, so what I'm working on today. This is a plugin called Drone Liquefier, which it's a combination between a kind of a granular sampler and a reverb, with a lot of modulation LFO style options to control parameters such as grain size, position, width, pitch, things like that. The idea is it's a kind of an easy way to just feed anything into it and create absolute mush, absolute crazy mush. I'll show you what it sounds like in a minute. I just need to tidy a few things up and sort out my dials. I just need to make sure this dial works. I'm having a little bit of problem with this dial. But yeah, it's a pretty cool plugin. I'm extremely happy with it. Really good if you're into ambient drone music. It's got a really nice way of just liquefying anything, but still kind of making it sound like the original. Okay, let's add these. Size, decay, damp, diff. I'm going to assume the mix goes in here. And we're going to need a -50 point. Or do we? Let's give that a try anyway. Hey, thanks for all the likes and follows and stuff. It's good to be back. And that's the presentation. reverb size, decay, damp, and diff. Just pause the tunes. Okay. So that's our sampler. Turn the device on. So that's the granular side of things. The LFO's, oh no, the LFO's working. This is our width. So that's tracing, it's recording the audio in real time over a 10-second buffer, and that's being constantly resampled by the grain machine. We can set a grain time, can make it quite low. We can randomize this as well, which is quite a cool feature. We can make the duration of the grain shorter. We can increase the amount of grains up to, I think 48 is what I set it at. Unless I just crash it by accident. No. I can go 96. And let's hope the reverb works. And of course we can randomize the pitch as well. Yeah, my reverb section isn't currently working properly. That's just kind of what I'm working on at the moment. I could probably feed my voice into this actually. Check. Hello. Hello. Hi, my name's Tom Cosm. Today's tutorial, we're going to learn about granular sampling. Nope. 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 Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, so obviously it's not completely finished. There's a few things, like I think this buffer time of 10 seconds is a little bit too long, and it's a bit of a problem. Yeah, I do plan on doing the past the project stuff again, for sure. Anyway, that's enough of that. I'm just going to get back to the Mac stuff. So what's going on with this reverb? I'm just gonna open up an older version because I've recently changed all the knobs. Okay. So we need a -50. Thanks for making those Oscar devices and building something nice to map visuals. Awesome. Yeah, I'm glad. It's cool, that device. Like, not many people use that, but when they do, really cool stuff happens. So there's quite a lot of work involved in making those, but so it's really cool when I get to hear people use it. What is this outputting? So I guess my issue today is I've made this new dial, which does kind of fancy stuff, addition. And I can also modulate it with something else. So if I was to control it with a number box, you'll see it moves from 0 to 100. And I can also feed in something into the right inlet, and what that will do is still modulate it up and down. So this is where we can attach the LFOs, but it doesn't change the live undo history, and it doesn't change the initial value of the dial. So once you move the dial again, it snaps back. But my issue is, you'll see over here we have a range of 100 Hertz to 20k. Is it 20k? Or is it 2k? This needs to be kind of 20 to 20 because it's the damping of the reverb. But my issue is we're not getting the full range as far as the color goes. So see, when it's 0 to 100, we can get the nice little dial behind it lighting up. So it's just kind of a visual thing, a visual bug that I'm having a problem with. Hey, what's up everyone tuning in? So I'm trying to figure out why my other dial is not showing correctly. So if we look in here, I'll make you sweat. An integer. That is also fine. I think I'm going to have to set some output stuff. I'll make you sweat, make you sweat. I'm getting down on the dance floor. I'll make you sweat, make you sweat. I'll make you sweat. I'll make you sweat. Alright, let's have a look at this. I'll make you sweat. I'll make you sweat. I'll make you sweat. I'll make you sweat. And this is where I define the abstractions, or the attributes, sorry. So number one is the color. In this case, it's blue. That's the name, low value, high value, and that's what type of dial it is. So 3 in this sense is in kilohertz. But yeah, it's doing some weird shit, so. Like, it's just not even receiving the data. It should be outputting here. Oh wait, these need to go here. That'll be why. Okay. Jesus, looking nice.
I'm getting down on
Oh yeah, we got a bad frame rate. What's going on there?
I make you sweat, make you sweat.
I make you sweat. I make you sweat.
How do I see my
I make you sweat. I make you sweat.
I make you sweat. I make you sweat. I'm getting down
skip
on
frame
the dance
detected?
floor.
Sorry, I'll just check out my stream things.
Getting down on the dance floor.
I make you sweat.
Yeah, it seems to be okay now. I'm not on the best internet, so yeah, look, it might just skip. I'm not too fussed for this kind of stream where I'm, you know, just fucking around with Mac stuff. But if it keeps happening constantly, let me know. Cheers for bringing it to my attention, though.
I make you sweat. I make you sweat. I make you sweat.
Okay.
Make you sweat. I make you sweat. I make you sweat. I make you sweat. I make you sweat.
I'm getting down on the dance floor.
I make you sweat.
I'm getting down on the dance floor.
So this number is completely not okay. That's a little bit too large, so something's going on there. I need to tidy this up as well. So the arguments come in here. Again, we've got the color, the name.
Make you sweat.
Here's the color selector. Here comes the name. That's okay. That sets the name of the dial. The minimum and max, that comes in here. It sets the parameter range of that. That's fine. It slices it out, unjoins it, updates the two scale objects. So why the shit am I getting such wild values there? Okay, let's try changing the parameters here from 0 to 100 and have a look and see what we get, because that tends to work. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let's try 0 to 1,000. I think maybe I'm hitting a limit somewhere. Patcher args will be updated when patcher is reloaded. Let's have you go 107. I've got like dark blue and a black background for my chat, which is really dumb. I don't know how to change it. What's up, Bushman Goat? I'm just playing a random house music playlist, tech house, something like that, just while I work. Okay. So first I'm going to check to make sure that my min and max arguments are coming through okay. I'm just going to have to problem solve this. And once again, I know this isn't the most riveting content for a stream, but This is the kind of shit I do at Saturday night now that I'm 37. So. Okay, so the min and the max are coming through from the arguments. Okay. Attributes, sorry. So let's go down the chain. I'm glad the video is good again. So the scales... It seems like it's an issue with the scale. As far as I know, the scales don't have a limit. Okay, I think I know what the problem is here. I think I need to send the upper limit to here as well. Let's hope that works. Doesn't appear to work. Yo, what's up, Brendan? How we doing? Just doing some nerdy Max to Live stuff. I gotta clean this up. This is driving me nuts. Probably afford to move these across, no problem. Sexy troubleshooting, yeah. Absolutely. I'm going to just do some testing here. Okay, let's set this to
Don't drop bombs, drop acid. My acid is the bomb. Don't drop bombs, drop acid. My acid is the bomb.
Okay,
Acid, acid,
let's go 100.
acid.
So the thing I noticed about these two dials, this is a live dial. This is the one that I want people to interact with, and this is just the one for the visual purposes. But you'll note a number of steps or range, which is 100, and a minimum value. So instead of defining the min and the max, we have to define the minimum and then the range.
Is the bomb. Don't drop bombs, drop acid. My acid is the bomb. Tokyo. Acid. Los Angeles. Acid. Sydney. Acid. Berlin. Paris. London. Acid. Moscow. Acid. New York.
So
Mumbai. Acid. Melbourne. Ibiza. Rome. Acid. Oakland. Acid. Mexico City. Las Vegas. Acid. Chicago. Acid. Stockholm. Acid. Detroit. Acid. Sao Paulo. Cape Town. Seoul. Acid.
So what I'm doing here is just creating a little mathematical process so that in order to get the range, we're just taking away the minimum value from the maximum value. Pretty simple stuff. But can I set the size? So we get that. We get the size and the minimum value, right? Minimum value 20. We need to add one. We need to add one to this. Very good. Let's try 20 and 20,000. So that works. So this is 20 to 20,000. Awesome. So let's try 20 to 1,000. Huh, okay, that seems to be working, which is cool. What's the error in the console? Good point. Heaps. Let's clear it. Oh, let's see what the last one was. Oh, wait. This is all from previous stuff. Yeah, I think this is all old console shit. We'll see. feel like this is kind of working. Yeah, I'm still in New Zealand. No plans on leaving soon. I will go back to Melbourne. Definitely will go back to Melbourne. But I don't know, New Zealand's pretty sweet at the moment. It's a pretty good place to be, not gonna lie. Let's do this right. Yeah, so that still should be good. Hey, donation. I might have been missing donations, so I apologize. But thank you, Japanese person. I'm very sorry I can't read your name. And now it's gone. Glad to meet you. I'm Jimmits. Love your videos. Hey, cheers. Welcome along. Thank you very much. I apologize if I missed any more of those. I've been looking. Falconeer with the sub on Prime. Cold Bucket with the Prime sub. You guys are legends. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Thanks to my mum for liking the stream. My mum. Okay, so 0 to 100. See, now 0 to 100 isn't working. Oh, we've got to feed it into this unpack. Yeah, that's working. 20 to 20k is working. Okay, so now we need to bring this across. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. This is all debugging stuff. So here's our new unit. Don't need this. You never know who's watching your streams. Always got to behave yourself. So that's okay. So this just needs to change color based on either the dial being turned, which is this, or the input of the second inlet, which is the LFO modulation. So it would... I mean, what's... Okay, yeah, so... okay. Okay. So, get rid of that. Put this one there. I just need to think about this for a second. So we can get rid of that, get rid of... Oh no, we can't. So let's just leave that as a placeholder. That's where... Okay, so that's all good. So that just needs to be directly connected to the dial. And get rid of this. This should just directly go to this. Well, let's This needs to go directly to the dial. This is the LFO input. That comes directly from the dial. This one is coming from the needle color, which we do need also. Okay, so we've got a slightly cleaner patch to work with, so let's check this out. We'll just keep them side by side for now. Okay, that works nicely. Even though it's a bit jittery, I'll stop the audio and the transport. Okay, let's see what happens when we go to 1,000. 10,000 works. Spiral Snake, how we doing? Alright, now let's try the 20 to 20,000. I believe we have it, and can I modulate this? Yes I can. So this is the LFO coming in, just imagine. Here's the thing. Okay, I think I've done it. Whew. Crazy Saturday night. Okay, so let's tidy this up a bit. We already have. Where's that one coming from? Did I leave one in? Yeah, it's this. So this stuff might actually not be needed. Before I delete it, let's just make sure it all works. Send that to the back. Nearly. What's up, Jordan? I'll have to check out the Dilly and Besson stuff, eh? It's the second time someone's mentioned it, so. Keyboard Drink, how are you doing? Kia ora. That looks pretty good. Alright. Very good. Okay. Get rid of that one, get rid of that one. Let's just double check these ones. So these are the ones I added for the reverb. So that's the mix, 0 to 100. That's good. Negative 50. Size is 0 to 100%. That's good. Decay. I mean, we can change the color of these, which is kind of cool. So decay, 100%. Damp, 20 to, this needs to be 20 to 20k. Change the color to 3. Okay. Let's save that. Let's pause the music. You're gonna crash? Turn the music back on while we wait for it to crash. Not crashing, okay. Okay, that's sounding good. So let's check these dials do as in what they need to. So 100% reverb, 0%. Thank you for the like there. Awesome, okay. I'm just going to do one little touch up on that dial. Just get rid of all the junk that I created while I was trying to problem solve that. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It's a granular sampler, I guess I call it. So it just continuously records to a buffer, whatever the input is, and does your pretty standard granular stuff to it, but I've added the ability to put LFOs on things like the offset, position, width, and duration of the grains. And then we've got a crazy reverb. There's a few other things as well, like I added a wee granular attack, just to, sometimes you're getting clicks when good, so I thought I should finish it. Okay, so we can actually get rid of these, which is great. And this. And this. Not this. Get rid of this. And just a little tidy. Okay, that'll do. So now I just have to go through and replace all these other dials, which is fun. Did I learn Max for Live just from the docs, or could you recommend some good resources for noobs? Yeah, it's pretty much all self-taught, but I think the biggest thing that helped me learn quickly was to just have a project in mind that I wanted. So before I knew anything, I knew what I wanted to do for my first project, and everything that I did was just a little bit of the next step to getting to that completed product. And I don't know, I guess you just get more dopamine when you know, even if you just make, you know, a dial move and do something, it's a little bit closer to the thing that you actually want. And I find that kind of really amplifies your enthusiasm and excitement, and the learning process kind of becomes more of a fun game. So that's what I suggest. Like have a goal, even if you just make something up totally. It could be totally unrealistic as well. But I mean, Max can be incredibly boring if you don't actually have a goal. You know, it's not the most exciting looking thing. The end results are massively exciting, so the payoff is huge. Okay, so let's start replacing all these dials. So this is the grain attack, which goes from 0 to 1000. So we'll call this I think it's nice and big. So we'll just call this G attack, and it's 0 to 1000. Okay. So that's a bit of a problem. I think I know what I've done wrong. I think I need to put these in quotes. There we go. And grain attack 0 to 1000. This is in milliseconds, so I'm gonna have to look at my chart here. 1, 2. Maybe it's. I don't think I have milliseconds actually. 4 is dB. 3 is hertz. 2 is 2 is milliseconds. There we go. And that should output 0 to 1000. Alright. Very good. Let's put this in its right place. What's up, Ali? Awesome. Okay, the next one we have is... I'm just going to go through these. This is the random for the offset. So again, we have 1 random percent, which is 4, minimum, which is 0, max, which is 100. 4 might. Oh, we need to put that at the end. Or is 5 percentage. Very good. Okay, so we can just get rid of that. Put you in there. Okay. So I'm going to try and speed through these. Offset. So this is an interesting one. This goes from negative 36 to plus 36 semitones. Okay. Offset. Negative 36, 36. And semitones was 6. No, 6 is pan. Must be 5. Must be 7. There we go, semitones. 36 to plus 36. Very good. Okay, let's get rid of that. Oh, we need to be able to modulate that. This is the LFO.
Is it loud?
So this LFO needs to go in here.
Or is it fast?
This needs to go here. This needs to go here. I hope that works still. I'm gonna have to test that one. It's doing some weird stuff with the negatives as well. Kind of looks cool though. No, we are listening to a playlist. We're listening to a playlist. So, this is what Ableton sounds like. So I'm just going to save this and check to see if the offset works. So it is not working, which is annoying. So let's figure out why. I want to do a live stream for 24 hours, and people can just request YouTube videos, and it just gets fed through this and mangled up. Because it's really quite awesome, eh? Like the I can't really show you on the stream because I don't have my audio routing set up properly, but if you feed something into it like Bohemian Rhapsody, it just sounds like a drone, but you can just kind of hear Freddie's voice kind of off in the distance, and it's really quite cool how it retains the flavor of the original audio. So I'm wondering why that's not working. I think I've just done something silly here. But we'll have a look in the old working version. Ah, I have not connected it to here. Okay, hopefully that's all that's wrong with it. Okay. I'll feed you a full track. What have I got here? I'll feed the bit of a glitch. If I can find it. Yeah, so this is the Mozart music. So this is the dry signal. We just have to wait for this to buffer. But this is the this is just Mozart, which I used in my recent meme patch, Mozart refresh. So just to show you what it sounds like when you feed something through it. So I'll start off with just the grain. Need to bring the width up. And we can give the LFO to things like the position and stuff. And then when we bring the reverb in, that's when the magic happens. What's up, Bradley? So again, here's the original. Drone. And we can bring the offset down, make it nice and dark. And I guess the thing I like about this is you can bring the pitch right down and it doesn't really degrade the quality, because the reverb really, you know, throwing a reverb over something which is low quality or pitched down just adds an extra layer of lushness to it. What's up, Jacob? I'll feed one more thing through it. I'll use my own music. I've been playing other people's music this stream. I don't care about getting this flagged because it's just going to be a once-off stream. But I'll feed just something on hand. We'll go for this very old bootleg I did. Let's turn it on. Bring the grains down because we're peaking. Hey, Bryn. Let's try one more. A few more grains. My favorite addition to the granular part, I think, is the granular randomizer. So you set a minimum value and a maximum value, and when that grain is finished triggering, it'll randomize to play how much or how dense the next one's going to be. So without the verb. 2 seconds is a bit too long. I should decrease the max number there. Anyway. So back to replacing these dials. I need to figure out what's going on with this offset, because that's annoying, unfortunately. Just gonna have to keep shaping this dial as things go on. So the issue here is maybe I just need to set float values actually. Let's try that. Maybe that'll work. Negative 36, 36. So I think what's happening is this. Outfunk. Welcome. Okay, so I don't believe I can set a negative minimum value for these guys here. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of fiddling around. Let me just double check that. So if I try to go negative 36, okay, no, that works. And the number of steps would be 72. Okay, no, that's fine. That can be set to a minimum. So where in the chain is the negative 36 not coming through? Okay, well, let's just go through the chain here. Let's try this for a start. Min 36 is coming through, no problem. Okay, so the issue seems to be in the arithmetic of determining the size. So yeah, okay, so it's, in this case we want the range to be 72. But we're subtracting negative 36 from 36, so the range is going to 1. Let's have a look at the size, just to confirm that. An accomplished Norwegian black metal artist who has moved on to experimental electronica. Why, thank you, Pro. I call this my my post-lockdown phase. I don't know, I just kind of let everything go and then didn't do anything about it. But I'll go with your one. I like your one better. It sounds heaps better. So min 36, size 37. Yeah. Okay, so there's our issue. So I might need a kind of an if statement here. Yep. You're onto it. So you reckon if $F1 is less than 0, then we'll just go out 1, out else out 2. So let's just double check this. You are helping, thank you. Then, sorry, I always forget the then $F1 else out 2 $F1. So let's do a little test here. So let's say it is negative 36 to 36. We unpack this. We need this to go into here. It's coming out as 36. And if we'll say to 0 to 36, just as a an additional, so that let's go 2 to 36. Comes out here, no problem. I don't know if it's 0 takeaway min. So if we is this, can I do this? Oh, I can just times it by -1. Okay, so that will output a positive. You're onto it, bro. Plus the max, yeah. So we also need to, I feel like there's probably an object that would do this for us, but it's good fun to recreate it for sure. We also need another statement to say that if the min is a negative, to do it this way. Okay, well let's add the plus anyway. Let's get this side working. Oops. Why did that not work? Why is that also negative 36? Ah. My bad. Okay, so there's our range when it's a negative. But of course the issue is when it's a positive, we're not going to get that. So let's do a TFB. So the float. First thing we do is we bang. We'll go TF0, and this will be TF1. Then we throw a gate 2 down. Oh, sorry, a G switch 2. No, G switch 1. So in this case, this would come through here. Amado, how you doing? Okay, so that works. So if it's positive, well, let's just make sure the switch works if it's a positive. So it's a positive. Okay, that's good. So that means we're going to be taking this inlet. In which case, we would be using this original. So we're going to need a T BFB, I think. So this will now go into here. Oh no, we should just need a TFB. And this goes in here and here. No. And this goes in here. And then that would go through here. So let's just go 0 to 100. Zero to 36, 72. We kind of need this to trigger this, so maybe this. Why is it giving us a 1? We're just mucking around on some Max for Live stuff. At the moment I'm just trying to create a custom dial, and we've run into a problem of when the dial's range is negative something to a positive integer, we're not getting the desired result. So we're just figuring out a little series of units to try and make up for that. We're close. I mean, this can just be a bang, really. Or this can just be a T1. So negative, positive, 7. The reason it's connected to a -0 is this is just to do the basic operation of subtracting the two positive numbers, so subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value. So if we get 50, some reason it's making me click it twice. I mean, I do admit I struggle sometimes with this pretty simple math stuff. I mean, basically, I mean, I could do it this way. This is probably like easier for me to try and figure out. Is we just have two switches like this. No. Right, but the min value is going through the check first, yes, so that check will spit out the result. So it's the result that needs to be connected to that box. Yeah, that makes sense, eh? Yeah, I should really stick to using this one component for it. So at the moment it's spitting out the range if it's in a negative, but then it's only spitting out the minimum if it's not. So yeah, this does need to go. This is the minimum. Okay, that seems to be working. For some reason we're getting the extra. Oh no, that's correct. Is it correct? Let's try 0 to 50. Hey, what's up, Nero? XCK Studios. Yeah, my advice, which I said before, was just have something in mind, have a project, have something that you want to achieve, and then start learning the very basics to get towards that. Because the more things you can do that get you towards your goal, the more excited you're going to be. So that works. We've got a bit of a delay going on here though. So I just need to reroute some of these things. Perhaps I just need to go like this. I think this G switch is not necessary. Maybe zeros is the wrong thing to be working with here. Let's go 20 to 100. So why is it taking a few clicks? It's definitely possible, XCK Studios. The way that I've done it in the past is have a Node.js script which connects to the Twitch chat, which is kind of running on an IRC type server, and then that just analyzes the chat, sends chat messages via UDP or OSC across to Max for Live, when you can just have UDP receive objects and they'll just ask for access, and that just picks up everything being spit out on the node, and then you just get a feed of the Twitch chat into Max for Live, and then you can get it to control anything. In a nutshell. It took me fucking years to figure that out. I'm just gonna have a quick bathroom break. I'll be back in a sec. Hang tight. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Okay, I might start a little bit fresh here. So this is good. I'm happy with this. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to get rid of this. Put this up here as our test case still. And what we'll do, we'll go TLL, pack goes into here. First it goes into the parameter range. No, that's fine, we can do that. I'm going to have another one of these. So this is going to tell us whether the first value is a negative or not. Okay, so if it's a negative, we get a positive. If it's a negative, we get a 0. So we connect that to the G switch. I'm going to flip these around. So if it's a negative, it comes out. It comes into the left outlet. Positive, right outlet. Okay, let's roll with that for now. Very good. So feed that into here. Feed that into here. Okay.
It's all about the house music. 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 It's all about the house music.
Now I want this to be a G switch 2. Okay, so negative, it's going to output the two numbers out here. Yep. Good, 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 good. Okay, so this is a sorting system. Excellent. So negative, we want it to come into here. We want to ungroup it again. Unpack. Boom. And boom. Okay, so there's a 72. If it is positive, we basically just want it to come out of this one. Let's double check this. Not that one. This one. Good. Kinda good. Seems like this +1 has become obsolete. I'll just make it +0 for now. Min 50, size 50. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go -100 and 100. Feed it into the right hole. Min 100, size 200. Okay, this is feeling good. Let's try 20 to 20,000. Min 20, size 9950. 80. Okay. Kind of working. What's up, John? Ariza Extreme. How are we doing? The drone liquefier is kind of a grain sampler reverb. It's a drone machine. It turns anything you feed into it into a drone. So I'm just going to test this out and see if it works. Wouldn't that be nice? Nope. But why not? Alright, let's try it with 0 and 100. Yeah, that works. We're still not getting it. It's going up to 36. Minimum 36, size 72. I mean, that should just work, you know? You know? It's a huge mess now. Well, let's see what this is outputting at least. That might give us some insight. Haha. So it's not getting the size as 72? Maybe because it's a floating point number? Maybe that's the issue? No, it's not being edited. Catch you later, dude.
I got that bass to blow your mind.
Tell you what we'll do.
I got them.
Okay, so the size is being updated. You can see this dial is correct. Even though it goes up to 35, so we do need that extra bit. Too many of these open. I need to check what's coming out of that offset, the original dial. What the fuck? I can see that this is outputting a floating point value, so maybe that's the issue, so we'll try that. I'm just gonna have to systematically go through everything. So we'll just add an integer here. See if that makes a difference. I did something wrong there. I'm glad people are tuned in and enjoying this. I always thought these streams would be rather boring. It's like Tom figuring out a fucking dial for 2 hours. Okay, so I connected that to the wrong thing. Whoa, that was cool. So that's this one that needs to go to a float. It's still giving me I've done something wrong here, just some real stupid thing. Okay. At least we can prototype it here. So even though this is on negative 36, isn't that strange? Don't worry, Bushman Goat. My pleasure. Okay, so this is interesting. So I mean, if I was to send this, if I was to change this to 0 to 72, so the input here must not correlate to whatever. The input must always be 0 plus the range. The output must adhere to what the minimum value is. Unless I'm missing a... So in that case, we're just going to have to tack on. We're going to have to tack on the minimum value as well, which is okay. You know what? I haven't actually checked out the Inspired by Nature stuff yet. I'm quite guilty. So if I was to add 36, okay, that works. So if we go back here, we're just adding surely it's not as simple as this. No. Got a real mess going on here. So the min just needs to be 0. T0 F. Right? Oh no, that needs to come from the dial. Starting to get a bit tired. No. What's going on? Yes. Then this needs to go through a plus. From here, which is the inverse of the negative minimum value. And that broke it.
Who are you to say that you still want me when it was you who said goodbye? Who are you to say that you still want me when it was you who said goodbye? Who are you to say that you still want me when it was you who said goodbye? Who are you to ask me for a chance when you're the only reason why? Who are you to say that you still want me when it was you who said goodbye? Who are you to ask me for a chance when you're the only reason why?
We did it, guys. We did it. All right. Yeah, so it turns out I just needed to add the inverse or times -1 version of the minimum value to the output of the initial live dial. So I guess we should double check this with some positive values. So let's just go 0 to 100. Awesome. Let's go -100 to 100. Whew. Damn, what a mission that was. Okay, tidy up time. I did not check the second inlet to make sure that we can do modulation. That's going to cause us some problems as well, but I'm just going to leave that for now. Whew, okay. So let's reset that back. Offset's correct. -36 to 36. And I just need to double check that went up to 36, down to 36. Very good. And we should just test this out actually in the patch. Stop the beats. Get some Mozart going. Okay, let's try it out for the position. Let's replace some more dials. Hey, what's up, James? We're making a drone machine. So anything you feed into it gets turned into a big mushy cloud of soft droney goodness. Let's go for the position dial. For some reason this is in volts, which is not what we want, so we'll go 1 position. We've had another test. This is -525. And I'm just going to use the normal integer value here. Okay, so we can connect this to here. This goes into here. It's a little bit off. Anyway, let's just make sure that works. Hey, thanks, man. Okay, position's working, but it's currently in integer. Forgot to change it to float. So doing the conversion before to yeah, I need to go back to the dial, unfortunately. Gonna make sure everything is in floats. Yeah, that should do it. Apparently not. Ah, I changed it here. That's stupid. Here we go. Cool, Lionel. Glad to hear you're getting better. And you're getting into the gen stuff. Okay, so our position is working. Okay, let's just move on. Let's go for width next. Down here. So width goes from 0 to 5. 1 with 0, 5. Just keep this as a float also. Goes there and there. And let's test that out. Hey, I think that's a repeat from before, but if it's a new donation, then fucking awesome. Thank you very much. I think it is a new one. Thank you, sir. Porting stuff written in React to Max Gens. Oh, man, I wouldn't even know where to start with that stuff. It's a cool thing about Max is you can just bound to happen. Bound to happen. Let me just fix this. I mean, crashing is just inevitable when I'm doing this sort of stuff with Max, especially with like really botched together code and all that kind of shit. So it's okay. Pretty sure it saved it just as it crashed. Just loading it back up. What? You know, it doesn't really matter if the work was lost. Hey, it works, look at that. But I also notice, see how even though I'm moving in floats, it's not actually moving. I'm trying to point at my screen like you guys can see. Here. See how it's going in increments of integers, it's not going smoothly. Same with the width. See how the width is kind of snapping to whole numbers, so something's not working there, so we'll check that out. I don't know why that crash happened. Yeah, it was pretty clean. Have I heard the John Hopkins track Cosm? Is it named after you? I know he likes Max patches. I'm gonna say no. I believe I think Roland released a synth engine or something called Cosm. It's probably named after that. Or the Church of the Sacred Mirrors, that's another Cosm. I'm gonna say no. Dude, I have that problem all the time. I've had that problem for years. Like, all the B patches opening up. I can't figure out how to fix it. If you ever find out how to fix it, let me know. It's especially when you've got like, you know, 2 children and each one has kind of 50 patches in it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, well let's have a look at what's going on with this floaty integer stuff. Yep. Yeah, see how we're outputting it. Sorry. Hiccups. Unfortunate. Okay, and I can pretty much immediately see why. This needs to be an F. This needs to be Fs. That should fix it. There we go. Oh, let's save it. See if we get another crash. Should probably pay attention to this at some stage, but there we go. The position's smooth. The width is smooth. I notice the width is, so we've still got a float in here somewhere. I kind of like that effect. No. But there's still an int in there. Hey man, if you got his number, call him up. Find out. It's the width we were dealing with, eh?
Moving on the dance floor. Dancing tonight. Moving on the dance floor. Dancing tonight.
It's all looking good. That might have been it. I don't even know if I need to do this. Let's do an experiment. Yep, we do need to define the floating values in the unpacks. So all through the chain. Can't see anywhere else I've missed out. Ooh. Fisher. Yeah, me too, man. It's gonna get me copyright strike to fuck. But I don't care. I just want to listen to good tunes while I stream. Probably won't be able to replay the video, but whatever. Hey, we're still getting those increments. So maybe it's actually in the dial itself. Float output. Boom. Solved. Okay, let's move on. Let's do duration. Oh, yeah, we'll do duration next.
Moving on the dance floor. Dancing tonight.
Hey, James. 10 euros, thanks, man. I downloaded your track, Muckin Glitch Machine, from years ago and your vinyl auto scratcher. These kids today don't even know. Oh, awesome, man. Yeah, that was a while ago, eh? Still totally usable stuff that I use myself. Yeah, the Muckin Glitch Machine. I'm just trying to think, like with Ableton Live 11, there's all these new things we can do with comping and things like that. But yeah, hey, thanks for the 10 euros, bro. Really appreciate that. Goes a long way at the moment, for sure. Legend. So duration goes from 0 to 5,000. And we need that to be 2, I think. Yeah. 0 to 5 seconds. 0 to 5 seconds. Alright.
Moving on the dance floor. Dancing tonight.
So let's check that this one works. We're going to have to listen to this one because we don't see it in the graph, but that's cool. What's going on there?
Moving on the dance floor.
If that happens again, I'm going to have to...
Dancing.
Well, I'm going to have to figure that out anyway. It's been happening quite a bit lately. I wonder if the updated Max for Live version since 11's come out is kind of having backwards compatibility issues with Live 10.
Moving on the dance floor. Dancing tonight.
Well, duration worked, so at least it's saving it before it crashes. So it must be like sending everything back to live or something like that. Let's get some music in here. Okay, so that's working. What happens if I send the LFO to it? Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna have to touch that up. I think that'll be the next stream. Like, since I've changed all the way the dials work, I'm gonna have to change how my LFOs work, and the LFOs look like shit at the moment. Isn't that nice? Okay. Nah. Alright. What have we got next? Random.
The freaking fame, someone tell them that this shit ain't games. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. And if it's real, only then will you be on a roll. You be on.
And this is percent. This hertz. 4. 4 is dB. What is percent? 5. I gotta remember these numbers, man. Looks good. Looks good. I'm just gonna guess that that works fine. What else we got? Pan. This is actually not currently working, but I will update the dial nonetheless. This will be another negative 50 to 50. And this one is pan, which is 6. Negative 50. Looks good. And we have a random pan. We can just copy excuse me, copy this one. And I think that's all of the dials. Alright, catch you later, dude. Glad you enjoyed it. I'm gonna have one little try at getting the LFOs working properly, and I'm getting quite tired, so I just noticed my mic is peaking a lot. Sorry about that. Yeah, if I can't figure it out quickly, I'm gonna kill the stream. I go to bed, but let's have a look anyway. So what's going on here? I turn this on. Okay, let's slow it down. I should really tidy all this up as well. It's not an elegant LFO at the moment. Bring the amount all the way up. And the offset all the way down. So I mean, if I was to connect this to this, that's fine. I'll tell you what, I'm going to use a different LFO with something that has a positive number, so we'll use the position here. Oh, that goes into the negatives. We'll use the duration. Okay, so let's get the duration on. And the duration goes to 5,000, so this is an error. Okay, so that's good, but this needs to be going on the left, the right inlet. It's not doing shit. So let's have a look here. So in theory I should... Can I just connect this to this? That might just solve all my problems. Yeah. Okay, that's working. Is it outputting though? Yes. Alright, okay, so that was just a simple little error. Oh man, I wouldn't put me in charge of defusing a bomb, eh? Okay, so let's see if this now works on the negative value. So this needs to go into the right inlet, please work. I think that's working, eh? I think it's just working out of the box. Okay. What's going on in the log here? You gonna crash? No. Okay. Why do we have no sound? It's very quiet all of a sudden. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's test the LFO. Okay, one mistake I've made. Let's make sure the LFO is connected into the right inlets of the dials. Should be okay. This tune is Pawsa, P-A-W-S-A, and it's called False Start. Yeah. All right. So this is good. See how the LFO is changing the parameter but not actually overriding the dial, which is what we want. I'm gonna tidy the LFO up, considering that. See, that's what I'm talking about. That was so easy and fun that I just want to do some more stuff, even though I'm really tired. Am I set at my A on? Oh, the Bush Techno one. Awesome. Yeah, that was good fun. That was good fun. Played some dark shit. So I really should create a new subpatcher for these. Let's give these the dials as well. So rate goes from 0 to 5. And that's an hertz. What does this mean? Okay, rate is good. Very good. And that goes from 0 to 1. It's an easy one. Alright. Offset goes from 0 to 1 also. Easy. Is that it? Jessica, what's up? So what I really need to do is create a subpatcher here for these guys. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do that in the next series, in the next stream, because, yeah, I'm getting tired. 2.5 hours. That's enough. That's enough, Max, for live streaming. Hey, thank you for tuning in. Much appreciated. I'm pretty glad that quite a few people tuned in and were interested in this type of thing. A lot of people just kind of see me writing music and doing music tutorials, but this is a lot of my time is spent doing this kind of stuff. So it was very nice to have you along with me.